Hey there, YouTube. Today we're going to be working on this old ride again. Got some parts in, got the new fuel pump. I'm going to put it in. It says the spark plugs are supposed to arrive today, but they did not. Going to possibly get that tire fixed. I'm just going to debead it myself and clean the beads, to make sure that not just the fuel pump is the only thing that's bad on it. I'm going to blow a little air through the fuel line to make sure that it doesn't tear, or that it's not plugged. If it's plugged, then we'll end up dropping the tank. Not today, but we'll drop the tank and get everything else put in. Even if I get it to where it'll run today, got the tag in on it, I still won't be able to drive it. It does still have a broken transmission mount. I don't think I'll get it put in today. I got to take the old one out to see what I need. I'd film this, but I'm gonna be down there blocking the camera view, so bring it back if we get it done and find out if it's done. Pressure, about out of fuel, but that's good. For a minute, not even, hadn't been running very long. I can't believe this. Can you believe that? 22 years and she just fires right up like she'd just been shut off last night. I can't believe this.